Star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Good morning, y'all. It is May 21st, 2021, Friday morning. This is Options Millionaire, your host, and this is your Friday pre-market analysis review. Thanks for being here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. After a crazy day yesterday, a crazy run up and a little bit of chop at the end there, we currently are looking at a green pre-market. SPY is currently up 0.33%, and they're sitting at the 416.23 level. And before I get into the charts, let's go through the market here. So all of FANG is green. Most of it is barely green, 0.09, 0.04, except for Tesla. Tesla's up a little over 2%, so they are beasting right now. QQQ is pretty much mimicking SPY right now. Nothing to speak about. There's no real big news out there other than a little bit of follow through from yesterday's crazy bullish action. So having said all that, I just want to get into what we have going on today. What can I expect by looking at the charts? And this is the 1 year chart here. So you got this, I've got this yellow line here, which is the weekly range, which I'm going to be looking at. And on the volume profile in the 1 year, we've got this big heavy volume sitting right here at this 417, 416 level, and we're currently at right now. So I'm going to be watching that very closely. So having said all that, I want to go ahead and get into the charts here and figure out exactly what's going to go on and what can how can I expect things to roll so I can formulate my strategy for the day. So here's the 1 year chart here. That yellow line is the weekly high, the weekly range. And then you've got the volume profile here that's got the strong support or strong resistance right here at this 417 level, which we know it's been there because we did a lot of chop at the 417 for the past week or so, past few weeks. So we did this a couple of days ago. We did this strong bounce right off the lows and bounced off of this level, and then we came down again, and when we bounced up again, and we're sitting at the same place we were. So there's definitely a lot of resistance here, and I just really want to take a close look at that, and that's going to be something I'm really eyeing today. So here is the monthly chart. Now here's my concern here. So the yellow line is the weekly high. That's their weekly range, which started on Monday was the 17th, and here we are on the 21st. So we kind of have this little weekly chop scenario playing out here. And yesterday we did a lot. We beasted yesterday from the 409 area up to the 416. So yesterday was a beast of a day. That was all the way from the pre-market lows to the trading sessions highs. That was a very large day. And my concern is we did a little bit too much too soon or too fast. But I am going to play whatever comes. So now I'm going to be watching the rejection of this 416.75 level, and anywhere between 416.75 and 417. There's going to be a lot of resistance on the profile, as well as that's the weekly high. That's what we rejected and then went all the way back down. So that's going to be a very, very key level to see when the price starts trending towards 416.75 up to 417. That's going to be really looking for a key indicator. Are we going to bust through and go higher? That's when I'll go bullish. I'll go long. If we reject and go lower, that's going to be a point of concern, and I'm going to be watching that very closely. So you can kind of see the pink line is the point of control for the volume profile. So I'll be watching that. That's going to be showing a lot of support there. It's 415.31 level. So we've got this support, the purple line, or the pink line, and we've got the resistance on the yellow line. Really key indicators to watch. Really key indicators to watch. Maybe we chop in between those lines, but you know us. We'll set our ranges early and we'll watch the price action. I'll switch over to the 5-minute chart here. Nothing really too much to add here. On the pre-market here, it's still very early. It's only 6 o'clock my time, which is 7 o'clock Eastern time. So we're still pretty early here, but watching this thing go sideways here. And the pre-market, we're up slightly off of the little sell-off into the afternoon. So that's really all I got, y'all. That's the things I'll be watching. I'll be watching the point of control, which is at 415.31, and I'll also be watching the weekly high range, which there's a lot of resistance at 416.75 and the 417 levels. So just be ready to play those levels and be on your guns. And of course, we don't FOMO and we don't trade emotionally. So don't trade thinking that any one particular thing is going to happen, because the SPY doesn't care what you think. Just be smart. If you want to join up with the live chat and join in trading with me, please join the Discord. You can post in any of the applicable rooms. You can also DM me anytime you want and pretty much have access to me 24/7 to answer your trading related questions and investing related questions. If you're new here, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of cool stuff coming out. Got the next video coming out, which I believe is going to be the 52% review of the trade review, which a lot of people asked, hey, how did you know to stay on the trade so long? And I will show you exactly how that's going to happen in that video, going to be coming out today. So be on the lookout for that. After that, we're going to be doing the next education video will probably be on the squeeze momentum indicator. thank you all for being here and taking your time to watch this video. And remember to trade smart, like and subscribe to this channel, and then share this video with the others so we can grow and prosper together. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. I'm going to go get ready and get this market going. Thanks for being here. I'm out.